Go.
Hi, I'm Dalton, just some random person. This over here is Chris. He's working on something really big. Okay, well, we're playing Halo 3 on Zanzibar.
Perfect view.
Yeah, some nice beautiful islands over there. But anyway, we're working on the biggest explosion on Halo. As you see, we got quite a few.
Zoom in.
Yeah, we got some we got ghosts, warhogs. We also got mongoose and the tank, big one. All right, now he's gonna shoot an explosive container. Now that is something.
And the tank lives.
It's alive.
It's like Frankenstein.
I don't think it is. Oh wait, it dropped.
uh,
And that's our explosion.